So let us come to one more example of velocity and speed calculation. Since many of you were facing problem in that topic, so I am giving you one more example related to circle. See, speed average. This is average speed. Average speed is total distance by total time, and velocity average is total displacement by total time. So there is a difference between speed, velocity and average speed and average velocity. Speed and average speed has something different to do with, and velocity and average velocity has slight difference in between them. That I am going to tell you in my next video. But this is the calculation of speed and velocity itself. So do not get confused between averages here. Take it as speed and velocity calculation numerical problem only. So let us take an example of a circle having diameter 14 meter. So radius will be 7 meter. This is the same example that I have done in my previous video for circle distance and displacement calculation for a circle. So you can easily understand now that for one round distance is 2 pi r, complete round, that will be equal to 44 meter, and displacement will be equal to a to a, that will be equal to 0 as initial and final points are same. So let us take time equals to 2 seconds to make this complete round possible. So speed equals to distance by time एंड वेलोसिटी इक्वल्स टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम. तो हमने इंडिविजुअल पहले क्या किया, हमने डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट फाइंड आउट कर लिए और एज्यूम किया कि इस पूरे राउंड को कंप्लीट करने में कितना टाइम लग रहा है बॉडी को, सिर्फ 2 सेकेंड. तो डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट को अगर हम टाइम टेकन से डिवाइड कर दें तो व्हाट वी विल गेट स्पीड and velocity respectively. So that is what we have done. Speed equals to 44 meter divided by 2 second, 44 meter divided by time taken 2 second, that I have chosen of my own. And similarly velocity equals to 0 meter. Why it is 0? Because for one complete round displacement equals to 0. So this is equals to 0. If you keep on dividing it with time, with any value of time, you will get 0 only. So this is how speed and velocity values you can understand. Now come to half round. अब half round के लिए क्या था, सिर्फ बॉडी A से B इस आर्क पर ट्रेवल कर रही है, A से B. Either you choose this path or you choose A to B this path. Choice is yours. But main thing is that you are covering half of the circle, semicircle you are covering. So from A to B, let us assume that time taken be 1 second, half of the previous time. तो वेलोसिटी और स्पीड कैलकुलेशन के लिए हमने क्या किया, स्पीड इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम, क्योंकि हाफ सर्कल था तो पेरीमीटर सर्कमफ्रेंस भी हाफ हो गया, 44 का हाफ 22 ले लिया और टाइम हमने क्या ले लिया 1 सेकेंड, तो दैट कम्स आउट टू बी 22. सिमिलरली एस वेक्टर अब आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा, डिस्प्लेसमेंट ए से बी का शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ ये है, ना कि ये, या फिर ऐसा भी कुछ पाथ, ऐसा भी कुछ जिगजैग पाथ हो सकता है पर वो भी नहीं है. तो दिस इज़ द शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ. तो ये शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ जब हमने लिया तो हमारा डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना आ गया 14 मीटर, और इस 14 मीटर को हमने टाइम 1 सेकेंड से डिवाइड किया तो हमारी वेलोसिटी कितनी आ गई 14 मीटर बाय 1 सेकेंड इक्वल टू 14 मीटर per second. So this is how you calculate speed and velocity for different figures if you know only displacements and distance. But if displacement is not known for case of velocity, then what we have to do? Then we have to take care of two velocities. One is initial velocity, other is final velocity. That I will discuss in my next video. Till then, you keep on remembering these topics.